Let's check our website first. We've already have slide filter. Now, we're gonna show you how to make this kind of animation filter with our tool. Open Meishi Creation Tool first. Add a 1 track. 1 means your own template. You can replace it by any other template. We're going to change the position X and opacity to achieve the effect. Blue indicator means the time you want to stop. Let's give 15 frames in this case. Position X minus 260. Opacity from 0 to 1, almost 7 frames in this case. Check the animation here. It looks unnatural. Adjust the animation curves by clicking here. We want to ease in and ease out. Check again. Looks better. After this, you need to move the blue indicator to the last frame. Remember to match all the screen size. Also, you can just choose only one size based on what you need. Then you can export your files. Give it a Chinese name and English name. Below the filter type, you can choose in animation in this case. Start export.